I have a DJI OSMO Action, and I think it's a really fun addition to any camera kit. My initial reason for getting one was to shoot point of view video and to use when I'm going in the water. I used to get my iPhone wet all the time, which isn't the brightest idea, but hey, it works. You see, after using the OSMO Action for the very first time, I got home, attempted to edit the video. Well, my laptop said no, just no. The video is so taxing to edit, it's not even funny. So I left all the footage on my hard drive for a long time, a very, very long time, and it just sat there doing nothing until I got a bright idea. Actually, it was a stupid idea, but you know, the camera is shooting 30 images every second to create the video. I thought, what if I could scrub through the video and export a few frames, which is exactly what I did. And the results were quite good, because 4K video is actually 8.3 megapixels, which is good enough for social media use and even for small prints. I exported my favorite frames as TIFF files, opened them in Lightroom, and did some editing with my presets. Now, to be clear, this took a lot of time, and I wouldn't recommend trying this unless your computer is very, very fast. But still, I found it very interesting because when watching a video, it's easy to miss all these small moments that would pass in a split second. It's like digging for treasure. If you enjoy this video, leave a like and consider subscribing. Until next time, if I ever upload another video, who knows?